Hey there. So, we have a problem in our hands regarding integer conversions. Imagine you have an int16_t variable I and an int8_t variable b. The dilemma is how to assign it to b while discarding all the MSB, including the sign bit, of a that doesn't fit in b. It's quite a common problem to tackle in programming, especially when dealing with different data types. But fret not, as there are solutions available to make this task easier and ensure correct behavior in your code. Now, let's delve into the solution. The quickest and simplest way to achieve this conversion is by using static cast. By employing the code snippet b equals static_cast_int8_t, you explicitly convert the value of a to fit into b without worrying about any compiler-specific behaviors. This method ensures that the hide bits are truncated and the assignment is done correctly, maintaining the integrity of your data. It's a neat and efficient approach to handle such conversions without any fuss. Building on the previous point, if you find yourself in a situation where you need to convert both a and b to their unsigned counterparts, the process remains straightforward. Simply applying b equals static_cast_int8_t will still yield the desired results. This method guarantees a proper conversion without any ambiguity, making your code clean and concise. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are indeed the best ones. Now, if you're looking for an alternative approach, you can opt for a slightly more intricate method. By first converting the value to the unsigned type uint8_t and then performing some arithmetic to ensure the assignment falls within range, you can achieve the desired outcome. This method involves a bit more manual work, but can be useful in certain scenarios where you require more control over the conversion process. It's a solid option to consider when dealing with tricky data type conversions. In summary, handling integer conversions, especially when discarding hide bits that do not fit into a smaller data type, can be efficiently done using the methods discussed above. Whether you choose the simple static cast or opt for a more intricate approach involving unsigned types, the key is to ensure that your conversions are accurate and reliable. With these techniques at your disposal, you can tackle such conversion problems with confidence in your code. So, go ahead, give them a try in your projects, and see the magic happen. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!